Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we'll be showing you guys how to switch out your Apple Watch band. While the Apple Watch has been out for a while, sometimes it can be a little tricky. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can see on your Apple Watch, if you flip it upside down, you will see these long, narrow buttons. So all you have to do is press it in and then pull. Same with the top. Press, slide out, or pull, however your orientation is. Next, to switch them out to the new one is even easier. You just slide it in. Well, make sure that the magnets are facing the right way. The bottom will be flat and the top will be a little rounded. All right, then you just slide it in. That. And then you'll slide it in until you hear the click. So you can see it is connected. Just like that. We've switched out our Apple Watch band. Now you can do this with both Apple supplied bands and third-party bands that you may find other places. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial on how to change out your Apple Watch band. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.